Hello everyone. Today we will talk about JavaScript objects. So what is an object? Real life entity is called an object. Any real life entity, suppose a car is a real life entity, bike, TV, pen, pencil, wallet, everything is an object. And suppose everything is an object, whatever you can see had some physical entity. Okay, an object has some properties and methods. In real life, a car is an object. A car has properties like weight, color, and methods like start and stop. Suppose I will show you an example. Suppose a car have a name I-20. I'm just removing all this from here and just adding where car and adding an object. For object you just write a parenthesis like this. Okay, name is I-20. Okay, and color is white. Just paste it this one. Document dot data element by id is camo dot in html equals to car dot name. I will tell you what does this mean. You have to write it like this. Okay, so this will be the output. If you want to print the name and if you want to print the color, you can print. This one is white. Okay, so if you use another, this is for one car. If you use another car name, then change the name I-20 to Wagner or anything. Simple. And if you want to print that name, then you will see is Wagner. So object have many properties and methods, but value can be different. Of course, value must be different. Okay, all cars have the same methods, but the method and are performed at different times. If I will write like this, where car equals to I-20, what does that mean? This code assigns a single simple value I-20 to a variable name car. Okay, objects are variables too, but objects can contain many values. Here we are containing only a single value, but here we are containing multiple values. That's why it's an object and it's a variable. Okay, and vari objects are variable too, but objects can contain many values. Okay, so car, if you want to write something else like model, model is also a property is 100. So this code assign many values like Wagner, white, or 100 to a variable named car. This the value are written as name colon value. This is the name, this is property, and this is property value. Okay, name and values are separated by colon. This one. Okay, this is basically the syntax of JavaScript object also. Name colon value and comma and again name comma value. Name colon value. So this is basically a name colon value and name colon value syntax of both. Okay. So JavaScript objects are containers for named values. called properties or methods. Suppose I will write another object of person where I'm writing first name is John, last name is Joel, and age is 26, and eye color is blue. So this is another object. Okay, you define and create an object with an object literal, and space and line breaks are not important. An object definition can span multiple lines. So this code, and if you will write it like this, are same. Okay, this code and this one with a single line, both are same. Okay, so what is object properties? A name column value pairs in JavaScript object. Name column value a pair basically. Okay. First name is a property and John is a property value. So how to access object properties? You can access object properties in two ways. First one is object object name dot property name. Okay, and another one is object name brackets property name. Okay, so basically we have two methods to access these properties. So suppose I want to use this one, object name. What is an object name? Person. This one is the object name, and these all are property name. So if you want to print first name, so you can write it like this, first name. Just save and then refresh. First name is John. If you want to print another name like last name, just see when different and its joy is coming. If you want to print both, then you can write it like this. First name it's concatenate, and then again person dot, you have to add plus also, dot last name. Just save and then refresh. John Boy. Same like this, you can add a age or eye color also. Okay, second method is object name brackets and then property name. So remove that dot value from here and add it in a square bracket and in inverted commas. Okay, first name and then same goes to last name. Okay, so this is the another method. So again the output is same. Okay, so you can apply both ways. I just recommend first one because mostly I use this one. I use this one for arrays. For object, I use this one. Object name dot property name. Okay. So we have an object methods also. So you can add here object methods also. Okay. For that, objects have also have methods. Objects are actions that can be performed on objects. Methods are stored in properties as function definition. So here we will write full name and colon. Here I'm writing a function. This is the function name and this is the function. Okay, here I'm adding a return statement. This dot first name. This refers to this person. Okay, first name plus space and then plus this dot last name, and that value will print. Okay, so if you want to print that full name, you can write it like this: person dot full name. Just save and then refresh. So it will return the full return statement exact the way that we write it here. So for that, you must be right like this. Okay, in the last video we studied this parenthesis symbol, and if we are not using this one, then what will be the output of this? So if you want to learn more about functions, you can watch my previous video. Okay, so this keyword basically in a function definition, this refers to the owner of the function. In this example, this is the person object that owns the full name function. Okay. In other words, we can say that this dot first name means the first name property. This dot first name, the first name property of this object. So how to access property? Again, same methods, just like that. Property full name like this, or you can add it like this. Again, the full two methods we have. Okay, no, sorry, you can't do it like this because it will return. If you access a method without, you can use this one only for methods. So that's why I recommend you can use dot one. Okay, if you access a method without this, so the parent without parenthesis, it will return the function definition just like we can see. Okay, so this is the basic of the JavaScript objects. So that's all for today. In the next video, we will talk about JavaScript events. So please do subscribe my channel. It motivates me to do more video. Thank you.